Hi, I've been recently looking at doing little mods for 58mm Swiss Army knives, and one of the things that a lot of people keep commenting on my videos about these little tools is that they wish Victorinox would produce an Alox or Alox Rambler, but they don't. And I did find these super minimalist and thin 3D printed custom scales on Etsy from a seller called Tessix. So I bought a set of these and fitted them on here, and they're super slim, super minimal. They just sit flush with the little brass pins, and it's a nice little product for anyone that is determined to have an ultra thin, as close to an Alox Rambler equivalent as you can get as of 2026 without paying a custom knife maker or making one yourself. And I have done a recent video discussing these, and they're quite nicely made and everything. They just press into place, click in, no glue or anything required, but they're quite expensive. Their scales themselves were £9.80, and I had to pay about £6 shipping as well to get them from Germany to me here in the UK, and I'm just not sure it's worth it really. As an upgrade, is it even an upgrade really? I've paid £16 for these scales that just lose a couple of millimeters off the thickness of a standard Rambler, and I've also lost the scale tools by doing this little mod. So a normal bog standard Rambler is only 10.3 millimeters thick versus the Rambler with these scales is 7.3 millimeters thick, and in inches that's 0.41 versus 0.29. So you just say for all that extra expense, you're just saving a couple of millimeters thickness, but you're also losing the scale tools if you do this little mod. So while it's nice that people are producing these, I just think it's a bit overpriced. Maybe it would be good if you had an old Rambler or other little 58mm model kicking about that with scales, had no scales on, or they were busted or something. Yeah, then do that, but yeah, they're a bit expensive to be doing that really. I don't think it's worth it, because the Rambler is already a nice compact little tool. It's hardly a massive bulk in your pocket, is it that? But I do think there are some other really great mods out there. I also got these scales from Etsy from a seller called DBE 3D Print Shop, and these are his 58mm plus scales combo, and these are brilliant, ingenious. These actually only cost £10.97 plus around, I think it was £4 odd for shipping. So these scales are actually cheaper than these scales, and these add some really cool utility to your 58mm knife. I whacked this set onto a jet setter, and with these scales you get the slot for the tweezers and the toothpick. So far so good, just like a normal Rambler, but you do also get the slot for the pen, so like the manager, and you get a little slot for a steel pin. And I just think that is ingenious, such a clever little design, really wonderful. These scales kind of take away some utility by losing the scale tools for just a couple of millimeters of thinness, whereas these scales add a ton of utility, and they actually cost slightly less than these do. Oh, this sticker as well, that didn't come, that's just a stick-on measuring scale that I bought from Amazon. I put this set of scales onto just a jet setter, but I've decided on reflection, for the few extra millimeters this will add, these scales add, I'm gonna whip these off here and convert this Rambler into a mega manager. Just to say as well, the seller on Etsy that I've got these from, DBE 3D Print Shop, he has been marked as on holiday for quite some time now, quite a few months. So I don't know if he's knocked it on the head making these or what. But I hope he's okay, and I hope he'll come back to making these very soon, because they're fantastic. I don't know if any of you guys have the facility to make any of these or what, I don't know, but they're a fantastic product. So let's just get these off and make the Rambler into a mega manager, which it should be, not this faux Alox Rambler style thin knife. Can I get these off without damaging the scales? That's the thing. Just get all the tools out. What's going to be my best approach to not damage these? Let's try and slide that blade into there. Good, that's popped off okay, and as you can see, they're really nice and cleanly made in there, all very precise fit and finish and everything. The pen slider mechanism you do have to source separately. I did email the guy, DBE 3D Print Shop. These are made out of PLA, and the material that these little sliders are made out of is more flexible, and he can't manufacture these. So yeah, you do have to still buy them. You can find them on eBay, Etsy, various other places. As too, you can still find the little pens on those places as well. So they've popped off nicely, and that's just a wafer thin little jet setter there with just the scissors and the little combo tool. I'm going to just whack the original red scales back onto this one. And then let's see if I can get these off here without damaging this one. Alright, yeah, that's slid off nicely. So they're off. These are pretty tidily made as well, and nice and flat. But yeah, they're off, and they're off. So which side do I want them on? I want the pen to open that way so that I can hold it like that. So yeah, we'll have that end, that end. Oops, don't forget to put the pen slide out mechanism back in there. Do I want it that side or that side? It doesn't matter. I'm just going to clip those on there. And they fit perfectly. Bung the pen mechanism back in here, the pen back in there. And then the other scale, it doesn't really matter which side I slap that on, does it? So we'll whack that on that way. And those have just pressed on. Absolutely perfect. So I'll just whack the tweezers in that bit. Toothpick in there. And a little pen back in its little hole, which does fit perfectly. And to me, that is much more like it. I've got a Mega Manager, which is basically all the wonderful tools of the Rambler, but with the added massive bonus of having the tweezers, the toothpick, the pin, and the pen all in there. This, to me, is a much better option and a truly worthy upgrade to a Rambler. So there it is next to a Rambler. It's just a millimetre or two thicker, isn't it, as the standard Manager was. Can't remember what I said about how many millimetres thick it was with those on. But yeah, standard Rambler, 10.3 millimetres thick. And this upgraded Manager now model is 12 millimetres thick. So yeah, not even a couple of millimetres thicker, but you've added 4 scale tools to a basic Rambler model. So yeah, these were a nice little idea, but I don't think not really worth it when you can or could buy something like this. Like I say, the guy seems to have been absent from Etsy for quite some time now, but I'm hoping some of you clever pods out there with a 3D printer might take up the gauntlet and produce something like this yourself. So again, this is quite niche, isn't it? But hopefully that's been of interest to some of you guys out there. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the next vid, be either next Wednesday or next Saturday, depending on how much time I can get to make a vid, fitting it in between kids, dogs, work, etc. See you later.